Good day. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the surface area of an object in TurboCAD that has been cut. The object that I have here looks as if it's colored in with a solid color, but in reality it's been hatched. It is just the hatched surface that is so dense that it looks like it's colored. Therefore I'm going to select the surface that's been hatched, and up here you can see I've used a brush pattern. There are many options or patterns to choose from, but I've used this particular one. Now I want to change the density to be a bit larger so that I can actually see the hatching. Therefore I'm going to double click on the yellow button. It opens this properties window. At this current properties window, you will see the dash scale is not changeable, so I cannot change the dash scale over here. I always select a line so that my lines meet up nicely with the edges of the cutting surface. So I can't change the dash scale here. Sometimes this option will be available and you can change the hatching scale here. But now I'm going to the brush option, and then I will see here's another scale, and it's set to 1 now. So I'm going to change it now to 20, and you can press OK or enter, and there you have it. Now I've changed the density of my hatched area, and it now looks better, and I can actually see that the surface has been cut. Thank you very much.